One of the advantages of board and batten siding in harsh weather is that there's less seams with that product. They come in 4x10 panels, and then where those panels come together, you cover it up with a batten strip. So there's a lot less seams. There's less areas where moisture could get in to the product. With those 4x10 panels and the batten strips over top of them, you've got a solid layer of siding that goes over top of there. It does that. You do have to make sure that it's installed properly. There's a certain amount of nails that need to be put in those panels so that they hold, because they are a lot heavier than the regular lap siding. And so you need to make sure that everything's ending on studs and that all those nails are in studs so that you can ensure that those panels stay where they need to be.